How to make money on Pinterest without a blog. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can go ahead and get started with Pinterest and start to earn money for whatever business you are promoting online. Now, Pinterest is still what I call like a sleeping giant, meaning that don't get me wrong, there's people who are actually using this site to build their business, but there's a lot of people who still aren't leveraging the power of Pinterest to grow their business. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can start to leverage Pinterest inside of your business in order to start earning money. And then also, again, you can start this week and start seeing results with your Pinterest account if you leverage any of these 3 ways to start growing your business. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. And first, let me share with you some stats about Pinterest that's going to make your ears perk up and further let you know that you should be on this site promoting your business. So the first thing that I want to share about Pinterest is that it has over 320 million monthly active users, and 71% of the users are female. So if you are looking to promote a online store, maybe you have something that's where your primary demographic is women, then this is definitely the place you want to be. And then also in the US, 83% of the women on this site are aged 25 to 54, and this same group makes up the same amount of people who actually makes 80% of the buying decisions in the home. So again, there is a buyer's audience over here on Pinterest. And then also, as you can see here, more of the people who are actually on Pinterest, they earn more than $50,000 per year, and 10% are earning more than $125,000 a year. So what does that mean for you? That means people on this site on Pinterest have disposable income, right? So they have money to buy clothing, they have money to buy courses, they have that extra money to do so. So again, this is the type of audience that you want to be in front of for whatever business you are promoting. So I'm going to dive into the 3 ways that you can go ahead and get started with this, and that way you can start seeing an increase in your business. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a Pinterest pin, and you can do that for free on this website called canva.com. And once you're here on Canva, you can create a pin. Now, they do have a paid version here, but you do not need to use that in order to create Pinterest pins. So once you're here on the website, you have created your account. You just want to insert Pinterest, and you can see they offer some suggestions here. So what we want to click on is Pinterest pin. And now we can see a variety of different templates that we can use. So you can create one right from scratch, or you can use one of these to you can leverage one of these templates in order to make your first pin. So here's a pin that I had made, and it's basically how to make $10,000 a month selling other people's products. And what you want to do is you want to make a couple of these pins that you can market with. So once you have created your pin, the first strategy that you can use is by direct linking. Now, what I mean by direct linking is where once we have created our pin, we can send people directly to whatever it is that we're selling. So for me, I am in the affiliate marketing niche. So if I'm going to be promoting products or services that I earn affiliate commissions from, what I can do is I can create a pin and insert the link directly going to whatever it is I'm promoting. So we come here to Pinterest and we click on create. We want to click on this top one where it says create pin. Now once we are here, I'll just upload my pin that I created in Canva. I will upload it and have it here. So this will be where my Pinterest pin will be located. And then I can write a short description, and I'll probably just put the same information that I had here. A free video shows how to make $10,000 online selling other people's products. And then here we have add a destination link. So instead of including a blog post or something like that, because again, this video is about how to make money without a blog, we're going to send people directly to the offer. So whatever it is I'm promoting, like whatever affiliate offer that I am promoting, I can include that direct link right here. Or if I found a link on ClickBank or maybe if I found a link on Warrior Plus or Sephora.com, I'm an affiliate for Sephora.com, I can include that direct link right here. So you can do that. You can send people directly to whatever it is that you're offering. If you have a course that you're selling, send people directly to the sales page for your course. So if you have your course through Udemy or Teachable.com, put it right here. Put the direct link right here. You can also do this by building a one-page website, or what we call an email opt-in page. So this is the email opt-in page for one of the affiliate offers that I am promoting. So I can send people directly to this page here. And again, it's kind of congruent to the pin that I made here. And then it's going to show them a free video, shows people how to make money selling other people's products. So if they click on this button here, it will actually ask for their email address. So you can see here, it's asking for their email address. They're going to submit their email address, and it's going to take them to the video that's going to directly explain exactly what this product is and how they can make money selling other people's products. So in the process, I am direct linking people to my affiliate offer, but then also I am building up an email list. So for every person that submits their email on this page, I am building up an email list, and that's going to be good for me because I can create sales in the long term by building up this list. And the reason why you want to do this is as well is because most people do not buy something the first time they see something. Only 2% of people actually make a purchase the first time they see something. So for everybody else, it's going to take them at least 7 to 12 times to see a particular product or service before they make any type of decision, whether that is to buy it or not buy it. So by me collecting those emails, I'm putting them onto a list, and that way I can send out follow-up emails, sending people directly back to this offer, so that way they can see those this offer an additional 7 to 12 times before they make a purchase. So that's one way that you can do that, is through direct linking. Send people directly from your pin to your sales page for your course, or to your Etsy store, or to a one-page website or an email opt-in. Now the second one that I want to talk about is bridge page marketing. So the bridge page, or what we also like to call it the pre-sale page, is basically a page where we're actually going to pre-sell our offer before they actually see the offer, right? So this example right here, this is a bridge page that I'm using for the same offer that I just shared with you in the one-page website. And on this bridge page, I included a review video that I had made. In this review video, I'm not trying to sell them on a product. I'm just letting them know a little bit about my story, how I got started with affiliate marketing, and if they want to learn how to get results with affiliate marketing, if they click on the button at the bottom of the page, it will take them directly to the offer that's going to explain to them how to make money online, right? So even if you don't want to be on camera, that's completely fine. So whatever offer that you are selling, you can find a video on YouTube, and you can link that video here onto your bridge page, and you can use that. Or if you're selling something in your online store, and you have created a review video, not even really a review video, if you just created a short video showing what the product is and its benefits and its features, you can include that information here. And then also on this page, to kind of, again, to pre-sell them, after I just shared with them my story, I included testimonials of other people who are also having results with this offer, right? So now they looked at my video, now they're seeing like, okay, people are actually making money with this offer. So by the time they get to the bottom of the page, they're going to be pre-sold on the offer. So now they're going to want to know more about it. And if they click on this link, it will take them directly to the offer that I am selling. So this is what we call a bridge page or a pre-sale page. So another example of this could be, you can send people to a review page. So this page right here, I created in a landing page software called ClickFunnels. And with ClickFunnels, you can create bridge pages. You can create one-page websites like this, like an email opt-in page. And again, we're not creating multi-page blogs that got to have SEO and all those things in order to make a blog more effective. We're not doing any of that. We're just creating simple one-page sites with some information on them, and we can show those, put those offers on our Pinterest pins. Now, you can use ClickFunnels. Like this page right here is created in ClickFunnels. These pages are created in leadpages.com, and I'll include leadpages.net. and I'll include the links to both of these websites below in the description. But I use these landing page softwares to create these simple pages. So let's say, for an example, like on my blog, I did a review about the Grant Cardone Money and Finance training, and I actually am an affiliate for Grant Cardone. So I can take this information that I have on my blog post and I can include it here on this page. It's just a full-on review, and then this button right here can link them directly to the Grant Cardone offer where they can actually purchase it, and if they purchase it, I can earn a commission. So you can do a simple review page. Again, this is not a multi-page website. This is simply a review page, and all you're going to do is just do a simple review. And on this one, like how I showed you on the bridge page, how I did a video and then showed testimonials, in this particular review page, you could do, like, this is a review of the training. After I had watched it, I took all my notes and I compiled a full-on blog post giving them all the information and what they can expect if they actually purchase the money and finance training. And then you can include that on this page. And then again, once you created your pin on Pinterest, send the actual page to this page right here, to your review page, and you include it in your destination link. So again, we're sending people directly to a bridge page or a pre-sale offer, and we're not having to send people to a blog in order to sell them. And the last way that you can do this is through YouTube. So let's say you already have YouTube content out there. What you can do is you can create a pin and send people to a YouTube video where you give full-on training. Again, we're not sending them to a blog. We're sending them directly to our YouTube video. So this particular YouTube video, I'm sharing with people how to make $100 per day on Pinterest without blogging. So what I can do is I can, again, go back to Canva, create my pin. Then I'm going to add my new image here, and I'm just going to put here a free video on how to make $100 per day with Pinterest without having a blog. And then here on the destination link, I'll just include the link to this YouTube video, and then they can watch this YouTube video where I'm sharing with them step by step how to make $100 per day with Pinterest. And if they're interested in that, they can just go to I'll tell people to go to the description below my video, and as you guys can see here, I have a link to a Pinterest training that's going to share with them how to make money with Pinterest. And if they click on this link, it's going to take them directly to the offer that's going to share with them how to make money with Pinterest for free, pretty much. So that's how you can make money with Pinterest with these 3 strategies. The first way is, 1, direct linking directly to the actual offer or to a one-page website. The second way is through bridge page marketing, where you're basically sharing, your personal story and you're including testimonials. Also, that can include a review page like this that's kind of look like a blog, but it's not, right? That's another option. And then the last way you can do this is through sending people to your YouTube. And again, if you do this, this is another great way that you can actually build up more views to your YouTube channel and also gain more subscribers. If you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you 3 ways that you can make money on Pinterest without a blog. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, if this is your first time watching my channel, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know where in the world you are watching from. And then also, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.